today I want to talk about food hunting is apa kita? Share out. My name is Ahmad Farhan bin Zulkifli.
My name is Raja Syahjana Firdanis binti Raja Effendi. Question 1.
Yes.
What do you understand about food hunting?
Yes, I understand the concept of feeding favorite food. Feeding our favorite food but feeding and often trying various place or method to get the right food.
What are usually the key of food you hunt?
Yes, I understand the country of food, mainly favorite food. This mainly a favorite food. Where will you find this the of food?
This type of food like shell out is easy to find in any famous store. To is Malika Kitchen shell out food Terengganu. We will influencer by social media, those TikTok because the shell out shop went viral.
Question 4. Who does it look like and tester describe is as detailed as you can.
Look and feel of the shell out is very delicious and unique. Experience of the shell out caught the attention of the public people because it was eaten with plastic base and served is with plastic. Experience of shell out caught the attention of the public because it was eaten with a plastic base and served on top of the plastic. Shell out is type of seafood such as shrimp, crab, squid, ham, lalai, and more, which is cooked with various flavors, is tom yum, paprika, and buttermilk. This shell out has many flavors including tom yum, paprika, and buttermilk. Common which is the most delicious shell out is tom yum because use natural ingredients, lemon leaves, lemongrass, spice. It tastes great, sweet, sour, slightly, and spicy.
Last question. What you do think this food is popular in our country? Give at least 2 seasons.
I think this food very popular in our country because it is viral on media social such as TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and everything. Like that, it is famous for it eating shell out is on a plastic base and placed on the table just like that.
Last, I want to talk about the food hunting is shell out. I like the shell out because the sauce. I recommend to all people want to eat shell out to go the restaurant I eat. The shell out very delicious and I like the shell out. The shell out in restaurant is affordable price and shell out this shell out is largest quantity and in shell out you can eat clam, sheep, crab and fish. Many people can come to restaurant to try the shell out this. I very recommend the shell out because it so delicious for me and I very recommend to the restaurant shell out.
That's all for us.